Some of you may have noticed that when you leave the seat belts hanging loose, they rattle up in the back and make quite a racket. I used to just buckle them up to stop them rattling. The problem with that is when you activate the levers to put the seats down, the seats stick. And then Chris Skerry in the comments on one of my videos pointed out that you can just stick them down the side, so like that, and that stops them rattling. So thanks for that tip, Chris. And to prove a point, I'll just put that lever now, and the seat should go all the way down on its own, like that. Now if I leave it buckled up and try it again. See, it gets stuck, but eventually goes down. Anyway, you get the point.